what is the concept or what is the chapter from which this has been tested is obviously profit and loss. Very evident. A rather simple question on profit and loss. A man sold 3/5 of his articles at a gain of 20%. Okay. So if you try to tabulate the information that is given, correct, that can be done by assuming the number of articles to be 5. Why? Because the denominator here is 5. So 3/5, assume them to be 5 and let the cost price per article be 10. That also you can assume as per your convenience. It could be X, 10X, 100, whatever. So if it is 10, then the total price, cost price would be 50. Now this has been broken into two lots. Okay. So the first lot is 3/5. What is 3/5 of 50? 30 rupees, which is the cost price of the first lot of articles. This has been sold at a 20% profit. So therefore the gain is 6 rupees and therefore 36 is the selling price. And remaining are sold at cost. What does that mean? The second lot, which has a cost price of 20 rupees, is sold at 20 because it is sold at cost. The question says the gain earned in the transaction is, because net how much have you made? You've made 6 rupees on 50. So therefore the gain is 12%. Okay. Is there any other way to solve this? Yes, there is. Let us find out that in the next slide. Okay, so moving ahead, can this question be solved using any other approach? Yes, it can. And the method is using the law of allegation, correct? Let us check. The same set of information can be presented in a different format. So you've got two lots which represent the two parts of the mixture. Average would obviously be the profit percent. Now, if the number of articles are denoted here at the bottom, there is one lot on which you've got a profit percent of 20%. The other is sold at cost, so there is no profit obtained on that lot, so therefore it is 0. If you assume that, if you assume the number of articles to be 5, then 3/5 would mean 3 here and therefore the remaining 2 here. Now, if you assume the group average, which is what we are expected to find out, the gain on the entire transaction to be X, then X minus 0 is X and 20 minus X would be 20 minus X. So you divide this by 3 and this by 2, which itself is the law of allegation, cross multiply, you get 2X equal to 60 minus 3X. Take minus 3 to the right, becomes 5X equal to 60. So therefore, X is equal to 12.